Hi, and today we're going to build 8 different shapes for Numberblock 24. Let's build them. First, let's build this one. It's a 4x6 rectangle for Numberblock 24. 6 by 4 makes 24. Let's build it. Let's start building. First, we're going to take both double stud connector blocks. One here, one pointing up, one flat block, and another double stud block. So, we're going to put these blocks to make a 6 by 4 rectangle over here. Then we're gonna put 2 blocks which are in a 1 by 2 rectangle. Then a 2 by 2 square. Put these facing down. So we got this shape. I'm going to put the face on. And here's Numberblock 24 in a 4x6 rectangle. Next one we're going to build is this one over here. The 3 by 8 rectangle for Numberblock 24. We're going to take both of the double stud blocks, both of them, and connect them to make a 3-studded row. Make these point up, and these should go up. Come on, yeah, there. This should go up. One here. It's very easy now. Then we put in this big row. And then we straighten up the corners. And here's the original Numberblock 24 in 3 by 8 rectangle. 3 times 8 is 24. Now I'm going to build the 12 by 2 rectangle for Numberblock 24. 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 24. So first, we're going to put all of the double stud blocks like this, all 2, and make a gap of 6. Then take more normal blocks, like 4 or 5, and put on another one. So this is what we need right now. Then we take 4 blocks and let's add on the other blocks. These ones in the middle. And here's number block 24, the 12 by 2 rectangle. Now let's build this one, the 6 by 4 rectangle. Start with 4 square blocks in the middle. 6 like this. And just put this in, because next we have to curl the blocks around it. Just place this in. It should not connect. Then make this one turn into this, and this one turn here. So this is connected. Then when we put in the last 6 blocks, I finally just need to place this block. And we made the 6 by 4 rectangle for number block 24. Now we're going to build the 2 by 12 rectangle. It is very easy to turn the 6 by 4 into a 2 by 12 rectangle. It's only a few steps. So first you should have this. Then you put in this. That's 6 plus 9, and that's 10. Then we're going up again. And here we have the 2 by 12 rectangle for number block 24. Next we're going to build the 1 by 24 rectangle. This rectangle is very, very, very long. This 1 by 24. We put all of the number blocks in one row. And here's and this is the 1 by 24 rectangle. Now let's build the 8 by 3 rectangle for number block 24. The last rectangle for today is the 8 by 3 rectangle. Let's build it. We should have a base with 3 studs. 3 here, 3 here, and there should be 3 here. It looks like E, but it's not 24, it's 14. Then we're gonna make these pointing down. Just take this. I'm number block 24, a super duper rectangle. I'm 24. Number block 24. And here's number block 24 in the 8 by 3 rectangle. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.